You good? Thanks. Arms up. You good? I got a bag. Let me see that. You good? Next. Oh, no, outside food drinks, sir. I'm sorry.
What?
Gotta throw that away. You gotta cover
Them
it.
niggas just walked in with guns.
No, I checked it myself. They're good. You gonna put it in the cup or something? Or
The water? I'm not. No, I'm saying they walked in with guns. Are you stopping me for water?
So I'm gonna have to ask you if you guys line, put it in the cup, or throw it away.
My friend's right there. Can you come in?
Oh, yeah, you got it. Yeah.
This nigga has a gun.
Hey, you got a bag? Let me see. You good?
Nigga, no, check this nigga bag.
Water, sir?
No, I'm going in.
No, not with that water, man.
You stopping me for water? There's felons and criminals walking there to kill us.
You don't know that.
You know what? I don't even want to go in there no more. I'm not just gonna say, hey, when they light that motherfucker up, don't be mad at me.
You don't know that.
You know what? I don't even want to go in there no more. I'm not even gonna say.